Good evening. My name is Kenneth Lee. I'm a rising senior at Camps High School, and I made voice today ambassador, youth ambassador, and the third place winner of the local Long Beach Excellence Prize. Before anything, I want to ask you all a question. Without using material objects or concepts, how would you define your cultural identity? This was a question I was asked a few months ago, and with my 6 years of experience with the haegum, a Korean traditional instrument, I thought an answer would come by easily. Yet, when I tried to formulate an idea in my head, strangely, nothing came up. A few weeks after being asked this question, I faced another unexpected ordeal. Starting late October last year, I faced multiple hospitalizations due to lung collapse, an ordeal that laid heavy burdens on both myself and my family. Yet, this did not cripple us. Spending our time at, coincidentally, one of our amazing sponsors, Miller's Children's Hospital, we found happiness in the smaller things, whether it be learning the ukulele with my music therapist, or our walks around the hospital corridors, step by step. Reflecting on my experiences, I think I have an answer to the question I asked at the start. My cultural identity wasn't just rooted in physical or material concepts like the hanbok I wear, or the instrument I play, or the food I eat. It's also rooted in resilience. The song that I will perform for you today, Arirang, represents just that. When Korea faced colonization 100 years ago, Korean citizens sang Arirang as a way to protest colonial rule, symbolizing Korean resilience in the face of sorrow and difficulty. And so, for me, this song represents resilience and the grit that comes with Korean culture and with my own personal experiences. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy